My name is Maria Isabel Timote, and our topic is all about healthy living guide for students. And it tackles every types of courses on how we as students have a healthy and energetic body and prevent diseases that can affect the body.
Hello, my name is Samantha Lachino, and our body tackles the basics of how to have a healthy body and health and to improve daily self-routines.
My name is Jerome Hayahay. This guide aims to provide practical tips and strategies tailored for students, including nutrient eating habits, effective time management, stress reduction techniques, and importance of physical activity. By incorporating this practice into their routines, students can create a strong foundation